Hello everyone, my name is Soumodip Dhar. Today we are going to discuss this Uber project. The domain name is Mobility and the Ride Hailing Analytics. I am a data analyst with hands-on expertise in Excel, SQL, Power BI, Python and the ETL process. Now I am currently completing this virtual internship at Code Basics, where my main responsibility is to turn complicated data into understandable and useful business intelligence. I am also passionate about the turning data into the insights that drive the real business decision. Let's go to the problem statement slide. Today, I'll guide you through an analytical review that systematically evaluates the problem from the most severe revenue impacts to underlining the operational inefficiencies. Let me walk you through the key challenges that Uber is facing. First challenge is 38% revenue leakage, 57,000 lost booking, representing the massive untapped revenue potential. Second, high cancellation crisis, 37,000 cancel rides. Third, volatile growth patterns. Monthly revenue fluctuate from minus 12.3% to 15%. It is creating unpredictable business performance. Fourth, driver and customer rating gap. Driver's rating is 4.23 and customer rating is 4.40, which suggesting that the driver rating is decreasing than the customer rating. Last, incomplete data tracking. 29,942 bank cancellation represent it is indicating the poor data governance. So, what is the business impact? These challenges are costing Uber in millions in lost revenue, damaging brand reputation, and creating competitive vulnerabilities in the aggressive ride-hailing market. Next, we focused on the 6 mission-critical question. Why are we losing 57,000 booking, and how do we win back 19.7 million rupees in revenue? What driving 37,000 cancellation? Where are we missing demand? Where and when it matters most? And the last question: why are the driver performance falling behind the customer expect? At the end of this slide, we will have a clear prioritized roadmap in front of you, which includes immediate wins, short-term operational fixes, and long-term strategy to stabilize and the scale. So, in today's presentation, we will journey through how I used Excel and Power BI, which is an advanced analytics BI tool, to uncover critical business problem and provide actionable recommendation that could increase the revenue of 19%. That's nearly 10 million rupees in recovered revenue. Let's dive into the story behind this data. So now we have clarified the core challenges and the defined our end goals. We can move forward into the data-driven investigation. But first, let's set the business context. Uber operates the global mobility platform with 171 million monthly active users worldwide. In 2024 alone, it completed 11.227 billion trips globally. That's 14% year over year increase. But here's what makes this interesting. Uber's success story is not just connecting riders with the driver. It is all about driven by the data. Every single decision, from the pricing to driver allocation, from route optimization to demand forecasting, is powered by the real-time analytics. So, what is my role in this project? For the particular project, I got to opportunity to work with the operational data of several months, covering all aspects from booking IDs to customer ratings, and from payment method to reason for the cancellation. This data set consists of more than 1,50,000 rides entries with the more than 15 character for each ride. My role is to become the detective who uncovers the hidden pattern, identify revenue leaks, and provided strategic recommendation that leadership can actually implement. Now, let me walk you through the analytical approach. Step 1 was the data collection. I received raw operational data containing booking IDs, customer details, driver information, vehicle types, etc. Step 2 is the data collection. This is where the most analysts underestimate the work. I had to eliminate null values, remove duplicates, fix inconsistent data format, standardized location names, and handle missing rating. This phase consumes 30% of my project time, but this is crucial for the accurate result. Step 3 and the final step is the data transformation and the modeling and last visualization part. I created calculated field, established a relationship between tables, normalized categorical data, and built a robust data model in Power BI that could answer the complex business question. And the visualization part, it is not just a pretty chart. I have designed the multi-page dashboard that tells a story, highlights problem, and guides the decision making. This tool, the tool in my arsenal includes Microsoft Excel for the initial exploration, Power BI for the data transformation, visualization, and the DAX calculation. Let's go to the live dashboard. Before going to the live dashboard, first we have to discuss about the primary objective of the project. First, we have to identify the root causes of the revenue leakage and the booking failure, uncover operational inefficiency. Third, discover demand pattern to optimize driver allocation. Fourth, analyze customer behavior to improve retention and satisfaction. And last, provide data-driven recommendation to increase revenue by the 15 to 20% within 6 months. So let's go to the live dashboard overview. Let's go to the live dashboard. Welcome to the Uber Power BI dashboard project. This dashboard transforms raw ride-sharing data into the actionable business intelligence, providing real-time insight into the core metrics that drives Uber's operation. This is not just a report, this is the operational command center. As you can see on the landing page, this Uber Power BI solution serves as the comprehensive overview of the key business metrics. The dashboard is organized into the 5 interactive pages, each focusing on the specific analytical area. First, overview, which provides the high-level KPIs and the summary statistics. Second, revenue, which tells about the deep dives into the earning, pricing trends, and the financial analytics. Third, vehicle, analysis of fleet performance, vehicle types, and the utilization rates. Fourth, location, which tells about the geographic insight, showing hotspot, demand patterns, and the regional performance. Fifth, rider page, which tells about the customer segmentation, satisfaction metrics, and the behavioral analysis. Let's go to the overview page. Now let's dive into the overview page, which serves as the executive dashboard. At the top, we have placed our key performance indicator KPI on the every page. It is providing an at a glance of snapshot of Uber operational health. We are looking at 93,000 complete bookings, 52 million in revenue, 2.51 million total distance travel, an average trip distance of 2.64 units, and 57,000 lost booking. On the left hand side, booking status analysis, we see the critical breakdown of the ride status. Out 149k were the completed successfully. This is about the conversion rate. 37k were the cancelled for the various reasons. This is important for the understanding the customer behavior. And last 19k remaining incomplete due to the technical or the operational issues. This segmentation helps to identify bottlenecks in our service delivery and areas for the operational improvement. At center top, complete booking trend. This line chart in the center tracks completed bookings over time with monthly and quarterly views. Notice there are the fluctuations throughout the year. This seasonal analysis is crucial for the demand forecasting, driver allocation, market camping timing, and the resource planning. Center bottom and as revenue analysis. Below that, our revenue bar chart shows monthly earning hovering constantly around 4.3 to 4.6 million. This stability of the matrix indicates predictable cash flow, consistent pricing strategies, and balanced supply or demand dynamics. This month and quarter toggle allows stakeholders to switch between granular or aggregated views. Top right center, revenue by the vehicle type. This horizontal bar chart reveals our revenue distribution by the vehicle category, where auto leads significantly at 13 million. This is clearly the highest earner. After that, bike follows 11 million, showing strong two-wheeler demand. This segmentation informs fleet investment decision and helps to identify which vehicle types to expand or the optimize. Bottom right, location or the rating insight. Finally, our location or quality matrix shows that Khansa has 6,000 pickup as the top pickup location. Ashram list with 592 as the top drop-off location. And a customer satisfaction average 4.40 out of 5. It is indicating the strong service quality. And a diverse rating average of 4.23. It is highlighting the areas for the driver training and the improvement. This matrix help us to understand the geographic demand patterns and the service quality benchmark. Overall, the overview page demonstrates the power of data analytics in action. Moving to the revenue page, where we shift our focus to the financial analytics. Our top KPIs, this is our top KPI where UPI has emerged as the trending payment method. It is reflecting the digital payment revolution in the ride-sharing industry. In the top center, this is the growth matrix, month-over-month percentage trend, changes for the trend spotting. This is a waterfall chart at the top. Reveals the month-over-month growth trends, and this is where data analytics become particularly powerful. February shows the steep decline of minus 12.3%, possibly due to the fewer days or the seasonal factors. And March rebound dramatically with plus 15% growth, our strongest month. This volatility analysis helps identify seasonal patterns, marketing campaign effectiveness, and the external factor this impacting the revenue. In center, the revenue trend line, the center line chart tracks absolute revenue performance throughout the year, with our top month generating 4.57 million. Let's analyze this pattern. We start around 4.53 million in January and drop significantly in February to roughly 4 million. This is our lowest point. This is another temporal analysis we have created. This we have understood that how revenue changes over time. This time series analysis is essential for the cash flow forecasting and the budget planning. And this month and quarter toggle allows us to zoom out the broader trend analysis or zoom in for the tactical decision making. In left panel, this is a payment method analysis. We have booking value segmented by the payment method, a critical matrix for the understanding customer preference, where UPI dominates at 23 million. It is representing nearly 44% of the total revenue. This shows the massive adoption of the digital payment. Here is the payment behavior analytics which tracking the shift towards the digital payment. And in right panel, this is a customer revenue contribution. The right side shows revenue distribution by individual customers with anonymous customers ID. This customer segmentation reveals high value customer which may warrant loyalty programs. Opportunity for the personalized marketing, and third, customer lifetime value CLV analysis. Overall, the revenue dashboard transformed the transaction data into the strategic intelligence. By combining growth metrics, payment trends, and the customer analytics, stakeholder can optimize the price strategies and they can improve the payment processing process. Let's go to the next page, which is the vehicle page. Welcome to the vehicle analytics page, where we analyze fleet performance, which is the company's vehicle across different vehicle categories. In the left panel, booking status overview. On the left hand side, we have our familiar booking status breakdown. We have already discussed it in the overview page. This consistent reference point allows us to compare vehicle performance against overall operational benchmark. It is essential for the understanding which vehicle types and meeting demand effectively and which may have service delivery challenges. In main table, vehicle performance matrix, the center table is the heart of the analysis, providing the comprehensive performance breakdown by the vehicle type. From the data analytics perspective, this table reveals several critical insights. First, revenue distribution analysis. Auto and bike together account for the nearly 47% of the total revenue, which is that 24.2 million out of 51.8 million. This shows the strong performance in the affordable transportation segment. Premium vehicle, premium plus Uber XL contribute only 15%, but likely have higher profit margin. 2 is the customer segment part. It is by budget segment is a auto and bike. Mid segment is a Go Mini and Go Sedan, and the premium segment is a premium sedan and the Uber XL. 62,086 customer prefers budget option, which is 59.5% of all total. Only 21,274 customers use premium service, which is 20.4% of total. Third, we will analysis volume and the value. This is the highest volume and the highest revenue generated by the auto, which is known as the workhorse of the fleet. Uber XL is the lowest volume but strategic for the market completeness. This matrix helps us to optimize fleet composition and the investment priorities. Fourth, completion rate excellence. 100% across the all category indicates strong operational discipline. No service delivery issues by the vehicle type, and suggested effective matching algorithm and the driver training. These sparklines are particularly powerful. They provide the temporal context without the requiring a separate detail chart, which allowing the analyst to spot anomalies of the trend instantly. This vehicle page analytics page demonstrate the sophisticated of the business intelligence. Page 5 belongs to the location analytics. In left hand side, the vehicle distance analytics. Starting of the left, we have vehicle performance ranked by the total distance travel. As usual, auto list at 0.633 million units, our distance champion correlating with the high booking value. Bike follows closely at 0.56 million. It is efficient for the shorter urban trips. Go Mini at 0.50 million, popular for the mid-range option. Go Sedan at 0.45 million, steady performer. Premium sedan at 0.30 million, premium service with the fewer but likely longer trips. This and last the Uber XL at the 0.07 million. This is specialized for lower volume service. This distance distribution help us to understand vehicle utilization efficiency, fuel and the maintenance planning by the vehicle type, which volume handles the bulk of the transportation work. This is the potential for the electric vehicle adoption by the segment. Top right center, total distance trend. This line chart tracks total distance covered month over month. It is revealing seasonal mobility patterns. This temporal analysis enables predictive driver scheduling, maintenance window planning during low demand periods, marketing campaign timing, fleet availability optimization, and understanding commuter versus recreational travel patterns. In the top right center, top 5 pickup location. On top right center, we identify our highest demand pickup zones. In center section, pick right request our matrix. This is a heat map which represent the most this heat map table in the center is our most analytical rich component. It shows the right demand across time slots and the day of the week. Let me break you through the patterns. Early morning 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. which is the lowest demand across all days. Morning rush 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. and moderate demand. Late morning 9 a.m. to 12 p.m. moderate high demand. Afternoon 12 to 3 p.m. steady demand. Late afternoon, which is the highest demand, shown in the darker shade. And in the evening rush, very high demand. In bottom right center, the top 5 drop location. Finally, our top drop of location reveals the destination patterns. Comparing pickup and versus drop-off location. Kharsna is the top pickup but not the top drop-off. Where Ashram is the top drop-off but not in the top pickup. This segment directional flow patterns, morning residential Khansa, commercial and the commercial part is the ashram, which is a cyber hub. Evening time, the reverse flow likely occurs. This location analytics page transform raw geographical and the temporal data into the actionable intelligent. Page 6, rider or the customer analytics. In top right center, the customer trend analysis. This line chart shows monthly and the quarterly customer count over the year. It is revealing the user-based dynamics. From the data analytics perspective, this trend analysis reveals customer acquisition pattern. When are we gaining user? And second, retention challenges. From February drop to December decline needs investigation. Third, seasonal effect. Summer peaks suggest the recreational travel. Fourth, marketing effectiveness. Correlate this trend with the camping timing. And 5 is a churn indicator. Declining trends with the signal retention issues. Top right, payment method preference. This payment method breakdown shows clear customer preference. UPI dominates with 37k customers, which is 35.6% of user base. Cash flow at 16k, still significant. Uber wallet at 11k, which is the moderate adoption of the our proprietary system. Credit card at 9k. Premium segment users, and the debit card is a 8k, which is the smallest segment. This segmentation enables targeted marketed campaigns by the payment preference, loyalty program designed for the digital users, incentive to the convert cash user to the digital. Left hand side, detailed customer table. This customer detail table provides granular individual level analytics. This advanced analytics application represent four things. First is customer lifetime value, CLV modeling, which is predict future revenue per customer. Second is RFM analytics, recurrency, frequency and monetary, which is a segment customer for the target campaigns. Third, churn prediction, identify customers likely to stop using the service. And fourth, anomaly detection, flag customers with the unusual cancellation patterns like C3673917. Center bottom, there's cancellation right analysis. This cancellation reason breakdown is a critical for the service improvement. First, top cancellation reason. First is a blank cancellation, 46,379 booking, which is no record provided. It is the largest category. Analytical challenges need better data collection, which could indicate app crashes before the region selection. User frustrating leading to quick exit. Missing data pipeline issues. There are 3 toggle views: incomplete rights that never started, customer section, customer initiated cancellation, and the driver section, driver initiative cancellation. This multi-page perspective views enables root cause analysis. Second, service quality monitoring. Third, data quality improvement. And fourth, accountability tracking. Right bottom, customer segment links. The three donut charts providing powerful cohort analysis. Stage 1, this is a customer journey funnel analysis. Stage 1, 48K first time riders. Stage 2, 5.6K return riders, which are major drop off. Stage 3, 11K regular riders, but yes. So we have completed all 6 page dashboard analytics. Now let me show you the key insights which I derived from the live dashboard. So here these are the DAX measure which I mentioned, and I have used it to prepare this beautiful dashboard. You can check it out. So this is the data model part, where the middle portion, this is the fact table, where the Uber table where it contains booking ID, booking value, booking status, etc. And left hand side and the right hand side portion, these are the dimension table. The dimension table are connected with the main table, and it is the overall data model of the dashboard. Now I will answer all your business questions. Let's dive into the business question. What is the financial impact of the lost booking? We are losing 57,000 booking, costing us 19.7 million in revenue, and this losses hit the hardest during the peak hours when demand is highest and the supply is the weakest. If we recover half of this trip through the better driver allocation and surge pricing, we can nearly 10 million back to the business. Peak hour gaps are the biggest revenue leak, and also our biggest opportunity. Now the second question: Are there the seasonal or the temporal patterns affecting performance? Trip dropped sharply from 221,000 in January to 190,000 in February. A 14% fall that repeats later in the year. Month over month growth swings widely, which big drops in the February, April, August and the September. This up and down suggest the seasonal factor, comparison or the operational gaps. To prevent future declines, we need to understand what causing these dips and the plans targeted promotional during weak months. Third question: where are our pickup demands gaps? This heat map shows the three major demand gaps: evening rush from 6 to 9 p.m., afternoon commute from 3 to 6 p.m., and mid-morning to 9 to 12 p.m. During this window, thousands of the ride requests go unfulfillment, causing heavy daily revenue losses, especially in the evening and the afternoon peaks. Fixing these gaps through the better driver placement or dedicated routes can recover the significant amount of the lost revenue. Next question: where are the customer cancelling rides? We have 37,000 cancelled rides, but 81% of them have no recorded reason. Only a small portion shows customer or the driver issues. This huge amount of the blank data means we can't underestimate why cancellation happens. making it impossible to fix the root problems. We need mandatory reason selection or the better driver matching to reduce this cancellation. Next question: how satisfied are our customers and the driver? Customer rate the service at 4.40, but drivers rate it lower at 4.23. This gap shows that while riders are happy, but the drivers are facing issues like delay, navigation problem, cancellation, or low incentives. To improve this overall experience, we need better driver support, training, and incentives to close the rating gap. Coming to the next question and the last question of this project: what our customer retention look like? Out of 104,000 customers, nearly half of the first time riders, while only a small share becomes regular user. This shows the retention problem. Many riders try to service once, but they don't return. Improving onboarding, promotion, and loyalty rewards is the key to turning first-time riders into the repeated customers. So we have covered all the business questions of this project. Let's see some strategic recommendation of the Uber Analytics. So this is the expected outcome of the Uber Analytics: reduce lost booking by the 50%, decrease cancellation by the 30%, and achieve consistent of the 3 to 7% month over month growth. Here we come to the last slide, which is implementation priority. We have to implement in 3 categories. First, immediate implement. Second, short-term measurement, and third, long-term measurement. So immediate measurement is 0 to 3 months, short-term is 3 to 6 months, and long-term is 6 to 12 months. So this is the final outcome of this Uber Analytics project. Hope you like it. So what do we achieve? We turned 150,000 rows of raw data into a clear insights. We uncover 19.7 million in lost revenue, identify actions that can boost revenue by 19% and reduce cancellation by 30%. And more importantly, we built a repeated framework, a dashboard that can guide continuous improvement every month. The same approach works for any mobility or on-demand business. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and if you want to discuss anything about analytics and explore more insight, then feel free to reach out. This is my email ID, or you can connect me on LinkedIn. Thank you.